So hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to download the old version of Gboard of the Google keyboard. If you don't have a if you don't have one on your Samsung phone. First, open Google Chrome. Then type in Gboard APK. Then tap on this APK mirror site. Then scroll down until you see the See More Uploads button. Then tap on it. Then scroll down until you see this. Tap on page 10 to see some 2021 Google keyboard versions. If you wanna go to this the middle to this final page, this page, then tap on it many times until you see the 2017 version of the Google keyboard. Look, I recommend using this version, which is Gboard version 6.3.20, the beta version. Then I'll tap on it. You can tap on the same version if you wanna do it. You can tap on the same version if you want the same one. Then scroll down until you see this. If you have an old phone that has Army Abbey V7A, then tap on this one. But if you have a new phone that has ARM64 V8A, then tap on it. But it's only for Android 13 devices and Android 11 devices with One UI. Then scroll down until you see this button. Then tap on it to download the APK. This will take a few seconds. And now that the APK APK has downloaded, tap on the APK. Then when you see this message, this pop up, when you see this, then tap on install. Tap on install. It will take a few seconds. And it worked for me on Android 15. And this works on some new Android devices. With Android 15 and Android 4. See? And it worked for me. Next, tap open. Tap on open. So if it doesn't open on your phone, then it might be a problem with the version of the app. Then download the new version and then install it on your device. First, go to settings. Then scroll down until you see this thing right here. Then tap on it. And then tap on this thing right here, because I don't know how to read this. Then tap to enable Gboard, the Google keyboard. Then it will show you this message. Then tap OK. Tap on OK. And then it will be enabled. And then tap on default keyboard. Then change the keyboard to Gboard, and then you'll see it. See? And it works. It works on any Samsung phone. See? And it worked on my phone, so I can type everything on all the games and apps. Same as the YouTube app. And it works on any Samsung device. See? So thanks for watching, and bye bye. And I'll see you in the next one.